Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today, we're going to talk about how to log in into Advantage Mortgage account. Search for Advantage Mortgage, then go to its website. Click on its link, then view its homepage. Then you can see the option of Loan Finder. Then go on Loan Programs. Here you can see many types of loans. I'm constructing a home, my dream home, so I'll click on Details. Here you can see the requirements, your qualification, who are you, who can benefit with this loan. A loan amount can be seen over here. You can get started after reading this. Click on Start, then I'm purchasing, so I'll click on Purchase. So, tell us about your situation. I have written my situation over here. Now click on Next. This is the last step, and here you have to enter your first name, last name, phone number, email, then consent. Click on I agree to receiving text messages. Click on it, then click on Submit after filling all your details. Then you'll get Advantage Mortgage Home Loan. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.